Sinigang, squid, sinigang, stir fry, shrimp, donike. Hello guys. Okay, today we're here in the fish market and we're going to pick some seafoods for the Paluto. Okay.
Calamares.
Oh.
Calamares, riba.
Mas malaki?
Yeah, clean and chop. See, sister, clean and chop.
Calamares.
How many kilos?
Bigger than this.
Ay, kung makapig ka, gano'n naman.
Brother, after hard one coming. This is medium for calamares. See, clean and chop for.
Asaan? Guys, we're gone choosing seafood and then now we're going to give them to the cleaning section for them to cut and clean. This is the cleaning section. See? Okay lang? Saan ba palabas, guys? Okay guys, so we're done dripping off the fish. There are attendants here wearing yellow if you've seen it in the video. So they can help you like take the fish, take it to the, take it to the cutting section, to the cleaning area, and then you will pay, of course, the cutting of the fish. Sorry, you will pay the cutting of the fish, which is I think 5 dirhams per kilo. And then after that, when they deliver it to you, when they return it to you, you have to, of course, give something to the guy. Eating here is a really different experience.
Yeah, it's new.
Ano ba ibig mo sabihin?
Hindi mo ba alam kung ano gusto mo luto?
Gusto mo luto?
Kumain mo na. Ito tayo maloko dito, malaki yung butas. Parang nanganak lang ng 10 yun eh. No?
Okay lang naman yun, hindi man yung kasama sa makikilo eh. Kaso nga lang, siyempre hindi maganda pagka na-prito na grill ng gano'n.
Ano pa ba yung mga seafood na masarap kainin? Salt, kumain tayo dito. Masarap ganda rin yung ganong experience.
For me, no.
Para kasing parang ang galing mo gusto ko yung gano'n na ganyan.
Na-stress ako. Kasi ikaw pa mag-aano lahat. Ikaw pa magpipili. Ikaw pa makikipagtawaran. Ikaw pa magde-decide. Ikaw pa ng ganyan-ganyan. Unlike kung direct to the point ng ito gusto ko sinigang. Okay, sinigang. Unless kung meron kang isang pagkain na hindi naluluto sa labas.
25 na usually.
Alin?
Biling bagay, inflation. 30 namin yung nilang dati ng 20. Kanda nila, laging 30 na ang per kilo.
Ah, sa isda? Natin alam. So yun, yung isda from 30 na lang lahat. Depende kung fresh or not fresh. Diba? So yun, maganda lang magkain dito pagka papaluto mo. Yung mga bagay na hindi naluluto ng ibang restaurant.
Oh, yun. Mura din.
Nari seafoods or ganyan. Ang hindi ko lang gusto, ano sila, Dahil nga siyempre marami nang kumakain sa kanila. Parang ikaw yung mag-approach, ikaw yung parang mag-please sa kanila. Parang ang tataray nila. No? Ayan na yung ibang bilis ah. Okay, ito na yung hipon that we ordered. We have the rice. So we ordered actually yung rice na unlimited na comes with drinks. So yung it's 15 dirhams, unlimited rice, unlimited drinks. And this is the stir fry veggies na in-order ko, which cost 31 dirhams. And then ito na yung calamares. We still have sinigang, right?
And the grill.
And the grill at Tanike, or kingfish. We're just waiting for Kuya Obi. And look at that. This is our view.
Screwed. You're screwed.
Epic fail.
It's not even pointing to you.